Assalamualaikum student, welcome to science class. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of our today's chapter is Weather and Climate. Today we are going to learn about three new topics. At first we are going to learn about the definition of weather. Number 2, we are going to learn about the definition of climate. And last of all, we are going to learn about the difference between weather and climate. So our last topic is difference. Differences between weather and climate. So these are three new topics. We are going to learn about them. So at first, weather. What is the definition of weather? Weather is the temporary state of sky and the atmosphere at a certain place. So let's write down the definition. Weather is the temporary state of sky and the atmosphere and the certain place. So this is the definition of our weather. Weather is different in different places and at different time of a day. We can use our weather forecast to decide what we are going to wear today or what we are going to do in our weekend. Now let's learn about climate. Weather, and now we are going to learn about climate. Climate is the change of usual weather pattern in a certain area. So please write down, climate is the changes of usual weather pattern in a certain area. We can also describe it as the average weather condition of a certain area. So these are our two definitions. I am repeat it again that what is the definition of weather? The definition of weather is the temporary state of sky and the atmosphere in a certain place. And the definition of climate is the changes of usual weather pattern in a certain area. So let's jump into our next topic, which is the differences between weather and climate. So at first, now you should draw a table for writing your differences between weather and climate. here we are drawing a table. So this part is weather and this part is climate. At first, simply write down the definition of weather and climate. Weather is the condition of particular area. So first difference is weather is the condition of particular area, and here is climate. Here we are writing about the definition of climate, that climate is the average result of many years weather of an area. So the average result of many years. Now our second difference is weather may change within a short period of time, but climate is not cannot be changed in sudden period of time. Climate takes many years to change. So suppose it's sunny in the morning and in the afternoon it starts raining heavily. So this is our weather pattern. Weather can change quickly, but we are in moderate country people. The temperature of our country is approximately summer based. So this climate cannot be changed in a certain period of time. It takes a long period of time for changing its behavior. So number 2 is it may change within a short period of time. Weather may change in a short period of time. But climate does not change suddenly. So climate, it does not change suddenly. So these are our two differences. At first we will write down the definition, then we will write down how many time it changes, and number 3 is weather of nearby places can be vary. So write that in third point. climates of certain region are similar. So our third point for climate is our last difference is we are going to give an example of weather and climate. Number 4 point is example. The weather, there was rain in Faridpur. But no rain Odisha. Climate, the example of climate is climate of Bangladesh. West Bengal of India. So these are the 4 differences between weather and climate. I am repeat it again. You should match it with your lecture sheet. That weather is the condition of particular area for a short period, and on the other hand, climate is a average result of many years weather of an area. Number 2, weather may change within a short period of time, but climate does not change suddenly. Climate takes many years to change. Number 3, weather of nearby places may vary, but climates of certain regions are same. Number 4 is an example that there was rain in Borishal, but there was no rain in Faridpur. So there are too much variation in the weather of Borishal and the weather of Faridpur. And on the other hand, the example of climate are climates of Bangladesh, Thailand, West Bengal of India are pretty much similar. So this is the end of our today's lecture. Hope you all enjoyed your class. What you have to do, in your lecture sheet you have 4 questions, that the definition of weather, the definition of climate, the differences between weather and climate, and the relationship between weather and climate. You have to memorize all the question and answer, and then write it in your home copy. And today we will proceed to our new topics. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.